You know why your politics? I be people gonna feel it now, because I don't know me say me come here. You have a company named VP. You understand? VP. I care zero on the one, so now 2026 we in now. Me tired of uno, man. Bomba clot. Me tired of uno. You know what's this song I'm release just the other day. When I call you, come in, baby. Anytime ready. Once you call to the people, let me tell me if you take down my song. Alright. Let me tell you now, people. Take off my cap. You don't know why I don't hear a song from me? Every time I release a song, VP, people them take it down. I don't sign to VP. All VP is doing is a fraudulent activities. Just imagine, look into this. Me Gyptian. You remember this now? You know what I'm showing you now? Because I never do it yet. I'm going to talk now. Me Gyptian. Just imagine. Me Gyptian, you know. I want to broadcast this. Me Gyptian. I start out 10 times strong. No VP. Me hear a little so-called batty boy flavor. That pussy there. You hear me now? Me chip. So-called batty boy flavor. You batty boy flavor. Pussy, I make a left from Jamaica the first time, you know, batty boy. Who you ramp with? You so-called flavor. You remember what you doing last time? Pussy, you come on my yard. Me have enough yard. This is one of them. Batty boy flavor. You come on my yard. My mother there has witness pussy. When you try to get the money from VP Batty boy. And you tell me, say, we're going to make some money. Pussy. And you make VP buy you out Batty boy. You hear that? Pussy, you make VP buy you out, pussy. And you take your whole of the money. And you go around me. And now me here, I come to Jamaica the other day. I fresh at Jamaica and in a pussy. I'm here, you batty boy. You boss Gyptian, pussy. You really serious time, batty boy. You come and talk about you boss Gyptian. When you boss Gyptian, a Gyptian boss you, pussy. The biggest song you ever have is Mama No Cry. Batty boy. You ever write a song yet? You ever write a song yet? Big pussy flavor. Me call your name pussy. You ever write a song yet? Batty boy. You can't even mix a song, pussy. You can't even take a song, batty boy. You come and chat about yo, pussy, you look, if people tell me if you come for people and something about you, you know, batty boy, you come and talk about Gyptian this and Gyptian that, you boss Gyptian. A Gyptian boss you. Pussy, when you see this, look at my face. And me boss your batty boy. You don't have no song bigger than Blood Clot, Mama No Cry. And all of my songs when you buy from the rest of people, them, and I talk about that you write them. You write song? You have talent, pussy. Batty boy flavor, you have talent. You can't even take a song. You can't even mix a song, pussy. Every time you come and take video and you there run Blood Clot, the turntable, run the mixer board like you mix pussy. You not mix nothing. I made this. I made Bill. You batty boy. You want to ungrateful batty boy. Pussy. I told me not like your wife. I'm never fuck your wife. Pussy. Try know that. Your wife never like you neither. You never like woman. You're batty boy flavor. Go suck your mother pussy. Yeah. Thief in batty boy come and talk about. Who is you? You can't do nothing else if you don't call my name. Nobody don't know if you don't call Gyptian name. Pussy. Batty boy. Nobody don't know you. The only thing you ever have and do in that music is this song where Gyptian say, na gay. That's the only song you have. You don't have no more song that make no sense. All of the songs that you release, them are touche. Because nobody don't rate you. You don't have no talent. Pussy. You know nobody. Suck your mother flavor. Batty boy. Like the morning here now. We can't talk my mind. I'm in Jamaica now. I'm out. One reggae Gyptian. Wanna hear that? One and only reggae Gyptian. The only blood clot Gyptian in Jamaica. The reggae one. And big up to all real Egyptians. Yeah. Batty boy favor not get this pussy. Y'all know nobody. Go suck your mother. Fully. Y'all know nobody pussy. If I never Gyptian, you know no name around your batty boy. Come back, call me name. Who is you if you call me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So in this video, we're going to be looking at what Gyptian has to say about FLAVA. But before we get into it, please remember to subscribe if you're new, like the video, and leave your comments down below. So guys, Gyptian basically launches a scorching attack on FLAVA, McGregor accusing him of being fraudulent and riding on Gyptian's success without contributing actual talent. Gyptian claims that FLAVA cannot actually write, mix, or produce music authentically. He asserts that FLAVA's biggest success, Mama Don't Cry, was built on Gyptian's talent. He accuses FLAVA of stealing money from artists, specifically mentioning a situation in Europe involving $500,000. Gyptian denies that FLAVA bust him. He emphasized that he was already 10 times strong and independent before working with FLAVA. The rant becomes highly personal, where Gyptian claiming FLAVA's own wife does not like him and that FLAVA fled Jamaica in the past. Gyptian expresses deep frustration with his current career status, blaming VP Records for blackmailing him and stifling his output. He said that his 10-year publishing deal with VP expired in 2018, yet he feels they are still blocking his progress. Gyptian allegedly that every time he tries to release new music independently, VP Records uses fraudulent activities to have the song taken down. He questioned where his physical platinum plaques are for his global hits, noting he has only received a little gold plaque despite reaching platinum status in the US, UK, and Canada. He claims that when fans search for Gyptian on digital platforms, the label uses his page to promote other artists instead of his own catalog. So guys, take a listen at what Gyptian has to say and leave your comments, your opinions down below in the comment section.
Name pussy. Who give authority for call me name? Germs. Batty boy. Look how Batty suck good boy. Who you for call me name? Who is this go suck good boy FLAVA call Gyptian name? Who know your Batty boy? Who know FLAVA? Alright, for my life. Who know FLAVA? See me, I can know. I mean, make people know you know pussy. Suck your mother, Batty boy. Your thief in the music. You thief everybody music and go like say do something. Where your contribution in the music? Where you contribute in the music? You thief everybody. I show me not call the man the name of your thief, pussy. You remember the man money your thief, Batty boy, FLAVA. The man was dead in Europe. We thief €500,000, pussy. And the man you go to court, Batty boy. For the man money your thief, you forget all of the artists in Jamaica, and you take all the money for yourself. So good Batty boy. How are you? You want a buzz now? See it here, pussy. Cause you go see this. Big Batty boy FLAVA. Suck your mother a million times, man. Who are you? Look at me. How are you? Pussy, how are you? Look at me. When I see this, look at me eye then. Batty boy, how are you? How are you? Pussy, how are you? Hey. Don't fuck with the Rasta here. Batty boy. How are you? I come and call my name on radio, pussy. So good Batty boy. How are you? I see your voice with that bag of bumbucklad artists who never make no sense. Go suck your mother, Batty boy, and the whole of your friend them, pussy. And Gyptian make you, Batty boy. A Portmore Gyptian boss. 10 times strong. You hear that? Gyptian boss a Portmore 10 times strong. Now Batty boy flavor can boss me. Hey, when you hear a story, you know one again. You know so the pussy try to trick me. What's a something I know? What's a scenario I know? Me I drive my Montero Sports. This is a Batty boy I drive one like a RAV4. And then you like a Batty boy, you know, I have to cut him off. I tell me no. So you want to buy me a Prado? What kind of sense in that? Pussy I drive a RAV4. And you go buy me a Prado? You need a Prado for yourself, Batty boy. Since when Gyptian Vice, pay him. Pussy, me and a friend, suck your mother. Pay me. And you still not pay me even good neither. But pussy, you couldn't style me. You couldn't style me, Batty boy. I mean, Edwards is my last name. Edwards is my last name, pussy. We grew up in a money. We are butcher. From Otis to blood clot, hardly. From my father. Thousands of dollars me I deal. Me I carry money from a $50. From a $100. See how much money that in the bag to go a Christian and go buy a cow and egg and goat, pussy. Go suck your mother, Batty boy. Me can't broke again. Because guess what? When you listen this to the world, me always have money for buy a goat and cow. Go suck no mother. You hear that? Me and one boy in a coming in this field. You hear me song go? Them say 7 times rise and 7 times fall. But Gyptian don't believe in the falling things at all because life continues as it goes. You hear that? Life continues as it goes. So look a Batty boy flavor. Understand yourself, so good boy. You're on a body. Stop calling me name. Come here, you not call me name. Who you are call up my name? Batty boy. Fool, pussy hole boy. You bad. Idiot boy. You, what? Pussy me in no class. You're not serious. You're not bad. Pussy me make you run already from Jamaica. Remember that Batty boy? What you feel like? The car them you have from payments and there's something you show up and there's something not Batty boy. A real place me have pussy. House pan top of house and land pan top of land and titles pan top of titles. I want to hear Batty boy. You not pay rent, you not come and chat to me, pussy. You can't chat to me. You come and talk about my... What you call my name for? Batty boy. What you call my name for? Out of all of the man in here you can call your name a size. What you call my name for? What you call my name for? All one time VP take you all of money with the platinum make pussy. Me still make my own money. Self-driven, self-build, self-employ. Don't fuck around, Batty boy. We're thief. You're thief. You're thief every artist. And this I go for all artists advice for you. Them have something else coming because you a thief. You're not going to give them song by themselves. You're going to put yourself in a thing as writer. You can write song, Batty boy. You ever write a song? You have no inspiration. You have no love now you. Pussy you real, not time at all. You're not authentic. You can't write song, Batty boy flavor. Are this music gone to? Are this music really gone to? And you big fool eat that, girl. It's not your time, here. It's not your time. When you tell a big fool girl about sexy love, sexy love's 9, it's not. We never know why she named sexy love. You're not sexy none at all. You must make a mistake when you think say you sexy and you write sexy love 9. Nothing but you're a sexy girl. You're tacky. You're tacky no blood clot. Woman beater, I want to catch you right now. I'm gonna beat you like a man. Pussy wall. Up tonight, you know. I'm up this morning now. I'm up this morning. Some like a waste Batty boy. Yo, I me talk about funny thing, you know. Because me there for me something, man tell me say like germs that call me name at Jamaica, you know. Who you are call me name Batty boy flavor? Who you? Nobody know you. Pussy. You look a hype. Don't look like hype for me, Batty boy. Boy, you come and call out my name. Who you? When call me name for the thing for RFM. call out my name. Call up my name and it's not like you talk good. You look forget a hype. Half of me. Wrong man like a hype half a brother. Me and you. Me a authentic mother. Motherfucker right there. So me's a authentic nigga, brother. Yeah, true, you know, Kemar. That's true. She come like this something a while ago. But I made her germs, man. You're mad. Nah, I made she. But anyway, still, I tell you earlier, I want some bad girl. I like some bad girl jump she. I hope this not be no bad thing, but it's something else. Yeah, man. No, I'm not feeling. First thing, I want to know this, right? Rough G. Believe me. I know everything you say to me. Respect for that. I know that. Believe me. But Rough G, you have to understand this. It's when you have me, and you're so cool, and you're so humble, some people want to lean on your fence. You understand? They want to lean on your fence. You dig? I don't want nobody lean on my fence. Big up to Costa Rica and the place, and I'm a place that. Toronto, loving us same way. Man. No, I'm not mad, you know. I talk my mind. And I'm mad. When I'm mad, I can't help on this. I say way more things if I'm mad. I'm not mad, I just talk my mind. Because I come to Jamaica, and before I come to Jamaica, I hear some little snippet. But when I come to Jamaica now, I hear all of this lie, all of this fabrication. This man fabricate all of this thing. First thing the man saying was Gyptian. I don't say nothing. You boss me. You boss me. You have a thing named 10 times strong. We start a movement in Jamaica we never yet do before we boss. Never, ever. It couldn't do before we boss. See? It couldn't do before we boss. We are one of the first artists who come out independent. As an independent artist. The whole team. Nobody know of 10 times strong. Nobody know of Gyptian. Nobody know of Wang. Nobody know of the 10 times strong team. At that time, so me talk history now. You see, before we bust, you cannot bust in a music unless you link with somebody who have a name. You can't bust. You can't go in a studio. It's like how we come kick down the barrier there. And we make everybody in Jamaica to the day can't just be the artist there. We just go in your blood clamor's room and voice for one song on your local computer. And we do that first. From one 10 times strong. You dig? And Wang boss me. And me boss Wang. A Basco makes used to carry the song them before me get big. A foreign. So when me have one song in Jamaica, me have 3 songs of foreign. Beautiful Lady, Serious Time, and You Never Know. Arthur will produce that song there with me. You understand? And they said there, C6 skull there. I don't lie me I tell. Me have witnessed, I have Portmore. My first dub plate a Green Gang sound and Ratty Gang. Me not talk about the Ratty Gang where my boy sick about now. Me talk about the sound. Green Gang sound and Ratty Gang sound is the 2 first sound when Macho Kid drive go up a Waterford. Go sing, you give the man them song them. And they never ever pay me. When I man them pay me, I'm not gonna call who pay me. But when I man them pay me, when I man them burn the CD and take off the dub plate and never give me the money. You get me? Yeah, that's what that's me start from. Me start from long port in this so where the Portmore talent search I start. That's how me started. You dig? Yeah, some when a boy come and talk about your boss, me and I come and talk like you have like you have authority over Gyptian name. Pussy, you have fabricate things. You don't know nothing about Gyptian. A Gyptian boss you batty boy. But look for you too. You're fat and swat in your blood clot. I come at look for you, man. You fucking girl, you fuck your mouth and girl let me fuck, brother. Look for you, come and talk about me. Why go suck your mother, yeah, man? Your bread, sir. You fucking girl about me, fuck. Not even dream your dream about them, brother. Not even dream your dream about them, brother. Not even your wife love your brother. Low over here, sir, brother. Let me tell you, brother. Low over here, sir, brother. I wrong man, you ramp with, brother. Because you know enough to ramp with me, brother. You know enough to ramp with me, brother. You want me to get in that trouble, brother? You want to get me in a problem, brother? Low, my brother. Stop calling me name, brother, and talk about my brother. I'm not talk about you. Actually, you call me name Batty Boy when I say this right now for you. Low my name. Low my name. You're an idiot, brother. No time at all, brother. Me ain't a size up, brother. How many name Gyptian, brother? What your name? Leave me alone, brother. Leave me alone, brother. Stop calling me name, brother, when I go out, brother. Talk about the artist them where you produce, brother, and you thief, brother. You done thief my something already, brother. I love you them, brother. You know so me rich in a life, brother. You think a financial rich is Gyptian rich in a brother? A life, me rich in a brother. Me rich in a life, brother. You're still uncomfortable, brother. You're still miserable, brother. Love me, brother. Me ain't in the same league, brother. No time at all, brother. Love me, man. Talk about who you produce, man. No talk about me, Batty Boy. Love me. I don't mean if you talk about, brother. Lego me, brother. Just love me, brother. But me be me, brother. What should I get me a last series? Are you singing all you? Are you produce all your Batty Boy? Your name Ricky Blaze? Who you, man? Are you produce? My name is Gyptian Pussy. Matter the fact, the song we are say you produce. Are you produce serious time, fool boy? Liar Batty Boy? Go away, man. Go away, man. Low over here, son, man. Pussy. Don't fuck around here. I drink Casamigo. Where I drink from that? Dan Olio. Don't fuck with me now. Not early morning. Still in my assault. And you know you can't run up on me no time. No way. You know that. Brawling. You can't run up on me no time, pussy. You know if me come to one place and you night, you have to lift up. Batty Boy. Suck your mother. Leave over here, son, man. For me call be a police to come beat you up and kill you, man. A police me deal with, you know. Come here, a bad man, you know. A police me deal with the Batty Boy, so no rap. A police are the baddest thing in Jamaica. Don't me call the police pan you, man. Love me, man. Fuck the pussy. Who you? Fool you. Do you think, man, I leave this, man? This big on you by 4, man. You know, so long the whole world are fighting and they still dominant. I'm Minium Gyptian. Me. Oh, that big fool girl that mad over, I never know her. Me. I'm Minium Gyptian. What a role, the Gyptian, it's a change. It's a change. I'm Minium Gyptian, man. Man, one Gyptian. And look out for all of the party them. All of the party them are upon them. All the crews me upon them. Look out for them. Look upon them. Yeah, I come out to VP now. Allow me. Come here on a sign. With thing up from 2018. Dumb, I'm going to go public with the something. I want to fight. Why want to fight me, man? Why want to fight me? I'm the biggest artist I want to have right now in our mind. Because I want to have me real in a real life. And to the people them don't know, Jamaican people, producers, listen to this, and me I say it live for my thing now. I got another pint now. Because I clear everything 2026. Me and VP in a blood clot sign. This signing up from 2018. The people them want to release me song. Yo, you know how much people I say when we hear a song from you? Because of VP. Every song me put out, VP take it down. Say me and them are exclusive artists. Where, when, how? Where is that? Where is that contract? Come in everything right now, you know. You don't allow me head here, people. You don't allow me head. You Blackballed. Just imagine. You remember this? You remember this? You remember, you know. Me have an artist song, you know. Me Gyptian, you know. Have the artist song, you know. And stop recording, you know. Why me would I want to stop record? Why me? Look now. Look into this now. Reality check. Why me would have the artist song in the world and not recording no more song? Look into it, people. So this now for all everybody I say, why we not hearing a song for you? Because VP have some people we are work with them where them only work is any song them see Gyptian release, them take it down. VP. Uno is not 10 times strong. VP. Uno never bust Gyptian. VP. Gyptian never ever signed to Uno. VP. Gyptian signed to Greensleeve and that contract was up. Me and Greensleeve, me and VP signed and 10-year, what you call this now? 10-year, what you call it something here? Hold on, wait till first, me up the head up. We sign a 10-year, which me never didn't know. When me look on the paper, I see it. Them sign a 10-year, not album. Catalog deal. Not catalog. Publishing deal. 10-year publishing deal. It expire from 2018. You hear me I tell you now? So you see everybody with a Gyptian song, I don't want to release it. Link me first. Because I don't want to just release song. Link me first. When I don't see VP I tell you about if you don't put up the song, it's not even VP. It's not even Christian. And some little blood clad puppet I work with them. You understand? Some little non-progressive element them. Some little batty boy and some little waste girl. You understand? Me not sign to no VP. The man them take down my song, them and fight my music for fucking decades. Decades. From 2011, Gyptian will release another song from Wolio. VP take down everybody else song with them to release. Which song you know say VP are put out for me if them so say them I'm a rascal must company. Which song them put out for me? Oh, no see the corruption. Oh, who don't see the corruption? Oh, me if you have the artist song, I not produce me Gyptian. We know the value of a hit song. The little song when me spend my money and them take my money from me and take a song and own everything. All on me. Me spend my money all on me, 28,000 for my video, you know. You understand? When you look for my anybody write a song, if I lie, don't think me I tell. Type in Gyptian pan any iTunes. I'll be other VP artists when I go see I come up respect my song them. The man them not release me song them. The man them have my platform. And I produce and I promote other artists. Can you believe that? My platform. Anybody write us right now with the thing. Me 70 odd people help me write us now. When me done talk, when you type in anything for Gyptian, and we're gonna see where I come up. And after you type in my something for Gyptian, type in any other else artist. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see them page with all of them something that come up with them alone. Type in Gyptian something. You understand? Type in something for Gyptian with some music. And you see how much other artists name I come up and ride off of my energy. I'm tired right now, man. I'm tired. All if you don't change it, I just want the people them know now. I'm tired now, man. You know, blackball me. Because what? No boy can fuck me. You understand? No boy can trick me. No boy can bribe me. Because I'm self-made. Me self-made. We're not about and we're not grows out. No time at all. But enough is enough. Because of people always say me, when you're going to release a new song? When you're going to release a new song? Me in a studio. Me live in a studio. Me have my studio downstairs. My voice in the studio every day. I mean, I no song out. No song out. Well, look into it. Me have a artist song. And when me voice that artist song, me done the music. Come on. Don't look into it. When you never see it, just check it. The artist song in our world. From 100 billboard, where you go? 80 yard. I was a 79 or something like that. And then me just, for some miraculous reason, me just stop the music, so I was